Hello everyone, this is a video about useful tips and in this tutorial about previous trick. If you haven't seen it yet, please click the upper part of the video and check the previous tutorial. Before getting into the in-depth tutorial, I want to talk about this trick for a moment. I created this trick when I was in high school. While in the middle of math class, the idea crashed into my mind. So as soon as I got home, I tried it and it worked. And I got so impressed and wrote it in my secret note, which until now I feel really glad that I can share the tutorial with you. Anyway, without further ado, let's get into the in-depth tutorial about butterfly effect prediction. So I showed you a really quick tutorial about the previous trick. So I'll explain in depth about this trick. So the basic principle is this. You prepare 10 cards. It doesn't matter the suit of the card. Just prepare ace through 10. Ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then place the joker on the top. I mean, it doesn't matter if it's like a joker or not. Just place any card. So you might ask why you don't place Jack, Queen, the core cards in this order. Because I think I said before, you have to explain about the Jack is 11, Queen is 12, the King is 13. But I don't want to do that. And if you put these three cards into it, you also have to explain that you should select a number between 1 through 13. But you don't want to do that. Just select a number between 1 through 10. That's more natural. So I think that's the reason why I place only 10 cards in order on the top. And then what you have to do is just place any card, and then all you have to do is just place this. It doesn't matter what kind of order in here. Okay? So in this case, let's say the spectator choose 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the next card is the 7 of clubs. Place it reversed. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then the next card will be 10 of clubs. Then you'll count the 10 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3 of hearts. 1, 2, 3. 6 of hearts. Count 6 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 of spades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 9 of diamonds. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Jack of diamonds. So you know, in this order here, and then find the card in other deck and have it reversed in that order. Okay. As a matter of fact, if you don't have another deck of cards, or if you are kind of, you know, if you really don't want to prepare the prediction with the deck of cards, you can actually write on some note, or in your smartphone. You can actually write the prediction in your own way. It really doesn't matter. What matter is that the prediction cards, you know, the 10 of clubs, you know, 3 of hearts, 6 of hearts, 7 of spades, 9 of diamonds, Jack of diamonds. These cards shouldn't go wrong, okay? As long as you don't get wrong, it doesn't matter. So the real principle why this thing works is because of the math thing. Let's say, for instance, let's say you choose 2, then 1, 2. That's a 9, right? It goes 9 because it's a 10, 9, right? So 2 plus 9 is 11, right? If you choose 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then you will reach to 6. Okay? Then 5 plus 6 is 11. and once again it's the same number. And if you choose the 6, you will reach the 5. 6 plus 5 is 11. 7 plus 4 is 11. 8 plus 3 is 11. 9 plus 2 is 11, etc. to 10 plus 1 is 11. So that's the reason why it always reaches to the card 10 of clubs in this case. So if you don't want to make, if you're hard to make this exact prediction, if you want to make your own prediction, what do you have to do? It really doesn't matter. Just shuffle the cards and find these cards, ace through 10, doesn't matter of the suit, and places any card on the top. And then count the cards, just any number 1 through 10. It really doesn't matter. Like for example 3, 1, 2, 3. Flip those cards. Okay, 8 of spades. Okay, and then count 8 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, 2 of diamonds. Not bad. So count two cards. 1, 2. Reverse the card. 9 of hearts. Not bad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Queen of diamonds. Oh, it's not bad. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then the card is ace of diamonds. That's 1, right? So count 1 card and then 4 of spades. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 of clubs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, the cards are less than 8 cards, right? So find it matches. Let's see, 6. This is there is 6 here, around here. Okay, just exchange it with the 8, and there you go, the 6. Okay, just exchange it with the bottom, any card with that matches 6. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there will be the last card, 8 of hearts. So, except for the first card that you reversed, the rest of the card, 2 of diamonds, the 9 of hearts, Queen of diamonds, the ace of diamonds, 4 of spades, 6 of diamonds, and the 8 of hearts will be your prediction. After you've written or prepare for your prediction, you just reverse that all by yourself, just like so. Then you can make your own prediction right away. This is all setting. It may be difficult at first time, but once you get used to it, making this prediction is so much easier than you thought. So, this was a video about useful tips and in-depth tutorial about previous trick. If you want to learn some other cool card tricks, click the upper right corner. If you have any questions or feedbacks about my video, please leave a comment below, then I'll accept your opinion to make my video better. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.